Bitpanda app. The pros, the cons. The Bitpanda app is a European crypto and digital investment platform that combines trading, investing, and saving. You won't believe how beginner-friendly it is. Most people get this wrong by thinking investing in crypto is complex, but Bitpanda simplifies it. On the pros side, the app supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, ETFs, metals, and tokenized stocks. It offers automated savings plans, making it easy to build wealth over time. The interface is clean and intuitive, and transactions are fast. Bitpanda is regulated in Europe, providing security and transparency, with insurance coverage for digital assets. The cons include higher fees for instant buys or cart purchases compared to bank transfers. Advanced traders might miss sophisticated charting tools or margin trading. Additionally, outside Europe, availability is limited and some features may be restricted. In conclusion, the Bitpanda app is ideal for European beginners and intermediate users who want to invest in crypto, ETFs, and digital assets conveniently. It's secure, versatile, and user-friendly, though not perfect for advanced traders or global users.